Is it okay to buy now that stocks are cheaper, buy low and wait till 2028? So the quick answer is I think yes. I think it's a good time to be accumulating right now, buying into both the local and the global stock markets after the recent dips in the market. What we're seeing is it's very difficult to exactly pinpoint the bottom and when it's going to turn. But what we do know is stocks are very cheap. They're giving pretty good cash dividends. It's a good time to be adding money, at least money that you're willing to invest for the long term. So the question that the person had is until 2028. So we're talking about 3 years. That's probably too short. If you're looking at a 3-year time horizon, I'd stick to bonds. But if you're okay with this money, going beyond 3 years, we're looking at 10 or even over 10 years pa yung goal na yun, whether it's retirement in the future or what. That's when I would put money in the stock market. If it's a 3-year goal that you need the money and you need to withdraw the whole thing by 2028, then I don't think it should be in the stock market. Hope it helps.